When you're out camping, keeping your site secure is crucial. The Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm makes it simple. Setting it up around your campsite is quick and easy. Mount the device with the screws, pull out the trip pin to activate the alarm, and place a pin in the bottom hole to lock it in place. Attach the flare and check your surroundings to avoid any accidents. Stretch the trip wire across entry points. This invisible wire acts as a perimeter alarm. The moment any animal or person touches the wire, the alarm triggers instantly with a loud noise and bright flare. It startles wildlife before they get too close and gives you early warning of intruders. Plus, in emergencies, the flare can also be used as a distress signal to call for help in the wilderness. This portable hammock stand gives you freedom, comfort, and convenience in one smart design. Setup is simple. Just unfold, lock it in place, and you're ready to relax. The base is strong and stable, and if the sun's blazing overhead, you can snap on the canopy kit for instant shade. Stretch out flat, lounge at an angle, or even sit upright. With a length of 191 centimeters, there's plenty of room to relax your way. It also comes with a cup holder for your drink and a slot for your phone, plus a solid 550-pound weight capacity for total confidence. Lightweight and easy to move, it packs down quickly and fits right into your car. Perfect for camping trips, road adventures, or just spontaneous hangouts outdoors. This Roofnest Condor is designed for anyone who loves adventure without sacrificing comfort. Designed to comfortably sleep 4 full-sized adults, the Condor is perfect for families, friends, or anyone craving a quick and easy camping setup. Setting it up is easy. Just undo 2 secure latches on the shell, then lift the top to reveal your new home away from home. Slide aside the elastic cord to create plenty of space, then pull out the telescoping ladder. This ladder isn't just for climbing. It cleverly doubles as a lever to unfold the tent with ease. Once the tent is unfolded, lower the ladder's rungs, extend them fully, and lock everything firmly in place. The tent comes equipped with a thick 2-inch mattress. 2 large windows bring in fresh air and natural light, keeping the interior bright and airy. When the weather is clear, you can roll up or even completely remove the rainfly to soak in a stunning panoramic view of the sky. A separate gear bag keeps your essentials organized, while a storage bag helps you pack everything. Built-in interior lighting sets a warm, inviting mood. Packing up is just as quick as setting up. Simply lift the ladder upward and fold the tent back in. Press the ladder flat, secure the elastic cord, then pull the top shell down over the tent. Lock the 2 latches in place, and for extra security on the road, snap the locks shut. Tired of dragging heavy gear and feeling worn out before the fun even begins? Meet the Outisan E-Wagon, the smart way to carry it all without breaking a sweat. It's powered by flow stride technology, which means it senses your pace and moves right along with you. When you are heading uphill, it gives you a power boost so you can easily haul up to 200 pounds. And when going downhill, it automatically engages speed control for a smooth, safe descent. Its 180 watt-hour battery takes you up to 7 miles on a single charge, and you can even use it to charge your phone or other devices on the go. Pair that with rugged, all-terrain tires and a tough frame, and you've got a wagon that's ready for gravel paths, sandy beaches, grassy parks, or rocky trails. Need more space? The foldable tailgate lets you load even bigger items. And when you're done, the whole thing folds compact, so it's easy to store in your trunk or garage. It's built for real-life use. LED lighting for nighttime adventures, smart movement sensors that respond to your body, a waterproof cover to protect your gear, and a design that's easy to clean and maintain. Whether it's camping weekends, beach trips, gardening, or hauling supplies, the Outisan E-Wagon turns heavy lifting into light work, giving you more energy to enjoy the moments that matter. This multi-tool is built for campers, hikers, and anyone who refuses to be caught unprepared. It comes loaded with gear you'll actually use: an axe for chopping and splitting firewood when the campfire calls, a hammer for setting up your campsite without breaking a sweat, a hook that makes pulling out stubborn tent pegs effortless, and yes, it even doubles as a bottle opener for those chilled drinks after a long day. A saw, cleverly hidden inside the handle. Just flip the lever, lock it in place, and you're ready to cut through branches or small logs. A shovel with its own detachable head, perfect for digging, clearing space, or tossing coals around the fire pit. Its dual-stage cam lock system lets you swap tools quickly and securely, so you can move from chopping to digging in seconds. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, the Adventure Mate Vi 3 is tough, tested on beaches and mountain trails, and made to last. When the job's done, it all folds neatly into a compact, waterproof cover, ready for the next trip. This camp bed gives you home-like comfort right in the heart of nature. Setup is simple. Just unfold the bed, use the pump to inflate it, and place your sleeping pad on top. Tighten the integrated belts, and your pad stays locked in place. You're now ready for a cozy night under the stars. You can even connect two beds side by side using the buckles. Just clip, tighten, and you've got a wide, stable setup for two. Add your pads, secure them with the belts, and your double bed is ready. When it's time to pack up, simply open the valve to release the air. Fold it down neatly, slide it into the compact carry bag, and you're good to go. This portable power station is something you should always have on hand while camping. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry, yet it delivers an impressive 800 watts of output. You can power all your essentials from your phone to mini appliances no matter where you are. With its advanced battery management system, the C500 protects your devices from overcharging, overheating, and other power issues. Recharging is simple. Connect it to solar panels off-grid or use the Type-C fast charge port to reach 90% in just 90 minutes. And here's the best part. If your vehicle battery dies, it can even jumpstart your car. Plus, it doesn't lose stored power over time. Charge it up, store it away, the energy will still be there waiting for you. This is the Matador Seg 30 backpack, built for strength, style, and smart organization. Crafted from premium quality fabric and zippers so it feels strong, reliable, and ready for anything. With multiple compartments, you can keep your gear sorted and easy to reach. The hidden undercarriage pocket keeps your dirty shoes or dirty clothes separate from the rest of your stuff. It expands into a 45-liter duffel, giving you that extra room exactly when you need it. There's a dedicated laptop sleeve, a bottle pocket on the side, and a quick access pocket up top for your essentials. And yes, it's waterproof, so your gear stays safe no matter the adventure. With removable straps and adjustable buckles, you can wear it like a backpack or switch to the side handles and carry it like a suitcase. However you choose, it's built to move with you. If you've ever gone camping or to the beach, you know the struggle. Ice melts, water leaks, and your snacks don't stay fresh. That's where the Anker EverFrost comes in. A battery-powered fridge that keeps food fresh for up to 42 hours, no ice needed. Powered by a massive 299 watt-hour battery, and with support for 100 watt solar charging, it works anywhere your adventure takes you. Its advanced cooling system can drop the temperature from 77 degrees to 32 degrees in just 30 minutes. That powerful battery also works as a power bank, capable of charging your MacBook up to 5 times or your iPhone up to 19 times. The handle doubles as a prep table and even has a built-in bottle opener for those sunset drinks. You can control and monitor the temperature right from your phone. Those rugged, all-terrain tires roll smoothly over sand, gravel, and grass. The Anker EverFrost, your portable, reliable, and smart companion for every outdoor moment. If you love traveling with your car and setting up camp under the open sky, the Boundary series redefines tents. The Magic Fort is an inflatable, vehicle-based design that works with almost every SUV out there. Standing tall at 3.5 meters, it gives you a real sense of space. It features 4 versatile rooms, each about 5 square meters, ideal for sleep, relaxation, or gear. There are 2 side changing rooms for privacy. One of its highlights is the special panoramic roof with a built-in safety net. The airflow is perfectly balanced so you never feel trapped or stuffy. The high-quality fabric uses triple-layer waterproof technology to keep you dry even in heavy rain. And it also shields your vehicle from snow. The best part, you can drive your SUV in or out without changing the setup. When it's time to pack up, it deflates and folds down quickly, fits right into your trunk without eating up space. The Smart Shell is all about adaptability. It sets up easily from your car's trunk, making it perfect for quick getaways. You can use it on its own for smaller trips, or connect it to the Magic Fort to create one massive, family-sized camping space. The Boundary series is perfect choice for you. If you've ever sat around a regular campfire, you know the struggle. Smoke blows right in your face. The BioLite FirePit is a smoke-free, tech-powered way to enjoy fire pretty much anywhere. With Bluetooth control, you can actually raise or lower the flames right from your phone. Its advanced airflow system with a built-in fan that pushes air through 51 precision jets, feeding the fire evenly and clearing smoke in seconds. The X-ray mesh body gives you a full 360-degree view of the flames and throws out extra heat to keep you warm at nights, whether you're at the beach, a campsite, or your own backyard. Through the BioLite app, you control the flame intensity while the airflow system keeps going for up to 24 hours on a single charge. It doubles as a power bank, so your phone stays alive while you're streaming music by the fire. The built-in grill tray and custom cooking accessories make it effortless to go from campfire stories to sizzling meals. It's like having a portable outdoor kitchen, ready anytime, anywhere. It's built for adventure, lightweight and easy to carry, whether you're heading to the beach, a campsite, or just your backyard. The BioLite FirePit gives you all the magic of a campfire, without the smoke. The Aerogogo mattress is specially designed for the Tesla Model Y. With just the press of a button, it automatically inflates in seconds. No manual pumps, no extra effort. Built from premium materials, it combines durable polyester fabric with TPU, giving you a long-lasting, supportive surface. At 14 centimeters thick, it feels soft yet stable, like you're floating on air. And since it's fully waterproof, spills or damp ground are never a problem. This mattress works just as well inside a camping tent, turning it into a cozy sleeping space in seconds. When it's time to head home, simply press the button again, and it deflates just as quickly. Compact, easy to pack, and simple to store. It's ready for your next adventure anytime. This tent lifts you above the ground, hanging securely between two trees to create a stable, elevated platform to sleep on. The space is perfectly flat and balanced. You can stretch out, roll over, or sleep in any position, just like you would on a regular bed. Strong straps hold it firm, while the buckle system keeps everything tight and steady. And here's the best part. You can set this tent on the ground just like a regular tent. Its small yet rigid poles give it strength and structure, while two doors, one on each side, make getting in and out effortless. Built-in pockets keep your essentials close at hand, so you're always organized. Whether you're deep in the woods, camping by a lake, or chasing a brand new adventure, the Aerial A1 Tree Tent turns any location into the perfect campsite. This little powerhouse is built for every outdoor moment. With its bold, military-style design, it's made for adventure. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, you can slip it into your pocket or clip it onto your backpack without a second thought. The sound is clear and powerful enough to fill your entire campsite. And thanks to its water-resistant build, it can handle a splash by the river without missing a beat. With 6 hours of playtime, it's always ready for the campfire. The built-in LED light helps guide your way, with an SOS mode on standby for emergencies. The buttons are large, responsive, and easy to find, while its solid metal body feels reliable and ready for the wild. The Muzen Wild Mini is tough, lightweight, and built for any outdoor adventure. The Zippo Typhoon match kit keeps your fire going. Each match has a special waterproof coating, so even if they take a swim, they're still ready to light. The strike pad works in wet conditions too, so you can spark a flame without a fight. These matches are windproof and will keep burning for around 30 seconds. Plenty of time to get your fire started, light a stove, or send out a signal. It comes in a waterproof bottle that keeps matches dry and even floats if dropped in water. This kit is your go-to survival fire starter for camping, exploring, or any emergency. This is the Gerber MP600, a US-made multi-tool trusted by military and outdoor pros. Its one-hand sliding pliers snap into action with smooth precision. Made from stainless steel, it packs multiple tools in one compact body, including knives, screwdrivers, a file, a can opener, and even replaceable wire cutters. There's also a built-in ruler for quick measurements on the go. Every tool locks securely in place with Gerber's SAFT Plus system, so you can work confidently without worrying about slips. Strong, reliable, and ready for anything. That's the Gerber MP600. This EATi Mag is a mini kitchen you can carry anywhere. It comes with a sturdy spoon and fork for meals. The knife handles everything from cutting steak to slicing fruit. There's also a bottle opener and a can opener for quick meals. With the tong adapter, your spoon and fork turn into cooking tongs in seconds, great for flipping or serving food off the grill. And with its magnetic attachment, All the pieces stay together, neat and ready for your next trip. EATi Mag. Eat, cook, open, and enjoy, all with one tool. This tiny powerhouse packs serious brightness, whether you need crisp white light to guide your way or red LEDs to protect your night vision. Perfect for hikers, campers, cyclists, and runners. Clip it to your bag, wear it like a watch, or strap it to your ankle, making you visible on the road and keeping a safe distance from passing vehicles. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and ready for any adventure. A single charge gives you up to 3 hours of brightness. Perfect for a late night walk, an early morning ride. Use it as a keychain light, snap it onto your bike, or keep it in your pocket as your just-in-case backup. With multiple color options and a clip-on design, ALVA is made to be with you,